Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Photoreceptor channel. I'm Gary Fernan, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to change the Lightroom background color. So here we are in Lightroom, and as you can see I've got my background color set to black, and it's very easy to change that. All you need to do is right click. So I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to hold down Control, right click just outside of the photo on the background, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. So I'm on black. Let's go to the opposite side of the scale and hit white. There you go. It's now white. So you can have a number of options. Let me just quickly run through these as to which you prefer. Oh, this one is dark grey. So it's entirely down to you which one you work with, but that's just a real quick, easy way of changing the background color in Lightroom. Top tip, in order to do that, you have to be in the develop mode. Guys, I hope you found this useful. I hope you use it. Not all of us like working on a white background or a black background, and there are varying shades of grey between those two shades to suit everybody. As I say, guys, I hope you found this useful. Take care, and I shall see you next time.